Hello my lovely people, welcome back. In today's recipe, I decided to share this different egg pizza recipe with you guys. So let's get started. Before we beginning with, here I have 2 cups of flour. Now I'll be adding the dry ingredient, which is 2 tablespoons of yeast, and mix everything together. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar, pinch of salt, and mix all the dry ingredients together. So you know the previous one we used butter, so this one we are going to be using oil. Now I'm going to add a little bit of oil and mix the oil and the flour together very well. Next, we are going to be adding milk step by step and be mixing it with the flour together. If you don't like milk, it's not necessary for you to add it. But for me, I like the taste of the milk. That is why I'm adding it. Yes. Again, we are going to add a little bit of water because we need a soft dough. And then start kneading it till it turns into a smooth dough. Why I'm adding oil is because I don't want to add in more water, because the texture is okay for me, it's soft like the way I want it. So that is why I add a little bit of oil, so that I'll be able to knead it very well. Then I'll wrap it with a plastic to prevent it drying. Then I'll cover it and leave it in a warm place to rise. Yeah, so after 30 minutes, this is how it have rise, because it's cold here, so it's okay. Now I'm going to remove the air from it and then transfer it on a greasy baking tray. This time I'm going to use my hand to be pressing it back so that I'll be able to get the round shape I want, because this one we need it flat shape. And if you have anything you can use to get your round flat shape, you can use it. So for me, this is the easy way. I love doing it. I love using my hand to be doing it. Yes. So in this point, we are going to use the fork to choke in the middle, like the way you see me doing in the video. Because why I'm doing that is because I want the vapor to go through it in the middle, especially in the middle. Now I'm going to be also using the spoon to be pressing the edges of the dough, because when I don't want the edges to look so thin. Yes, that is why I'm using that. And this is the ingredient that we are going to be using. To you can add more vegetables of your choice. So I'll be spreading the tomato sauce on top of the dough. If you are making your own tomato sauce, guys, make it yummy. Make it yummy, seriously. Yes. So I'll be spreading everything on top of the dough. Then I'll be whixing the egg. Whix it very well and pour it on top. Then I will put all the fresh tomato and olives and onions and all the vegetables on top. So I'm going to put some butter on top also, and then put it in the preheat oven to bake for about 34 minutes or 14 minutes. It depends your oven. Yes. So and then we'll enjoy our egg pizza. So it's ready now, my lovely people. This egg pizza recipe is very easy to make and very yummy. You can make it anytime. You don't need any cheese, especially if you have a kids who love pizza. It's just easy to make. You can just mix everything together and just make egg pizza for your children or for the family. They will really love it because it's very easy and very yummy to eat. Yes.